Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Y'all, it is Super Simple Sunday and I have a fabulous viewer suggestion. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Thank you guys so much, everyone, for supporting me. This channel is now over 100,000 subscribers, and that is because of you guys. You watched the channel and you decided to subscribe. So you guys have played a very big role in the success of this channel, and I want to thank each and every one of you. Today is Super Simple Sunday, and we're going to keep it very simple. We're going to take something that I have normally been discarding day after day after day. I've been throwing this out, but after receiving a very constructive comment from one of you, I decided to think of ways that I could use this. What am I talking about? I am talking about this that is generated every time I use these, and I use these a lot. So I generate a lot of this. And thanks to a comment from Frazzled Robin, I have a very useful idea that I want to share with you guys because I think a lot of you will be able to use it. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to get started. So first I want to say thank you to Frazzled Robin. Here's her comment. It did make sense when I read it because I use a lot of tear tape. And usually in about a week, maybe even less than a week, I can fill an entire garbage bag with those tear tape strips. And even as I'm taking them out to throw them out, they're very lightweight, but they're very dense when packed together. So when she left the comment, I thanked her and I said, oh, you've given me an idea, because she actually had. So what I've done is I've taken a whole bunch of the tear strips from some of the projects that I've done in the past week. This isn't representative of all of the projects. It's just to give you an idea of something that you might be able to do with yours as well. And here is an idea that I think is awesome. This is just a shipping box from Amazon. I haven't recovered it or anything, but if I was to take a box like this for shipping something out, I would ordinarily put something in it to soften the edges around it, to soften the bottom, to protect whatever it is I am going to ship. Well, thanks to Robin, instead of purchasing those bags of plastic popcorn pellets or using bubble wrap to cushion the sides, I can just start saving this and using it as package filler for my packages. Now, of course, the person who receives this is going to have to decide how they want to deal with these. So here's an idea. When that person receives the box that has all of the shredded pieces in it, why not include an empty plastic bag or paper bag, just so that if they want to keep this, they have a way of just storing it until they're ready to use it and it's not all over the place. So I am going to go ahead and just remove this sticky, and then I'll take my little plastic bag and just close it. First, I'm going to squeeze out that air. And so now they're able to take the filler from the package they've received and just store it away until they're ready to use it. And they can just send this bag on to the next person that they're sending it to, so that if that person wants to save this and not throw it away, they can do that as well. Eventually, this is going to end up being tossed somewhere along the line. But since we are the crafters actually tearing the tape and starting this process, why not save these and use them as part of our packaging? We're always sending Happy Mail. We're always either sending something that we've sold or we want to gift. Why not reuse something that's right there in front of us, something that we ordinarily are going to toss? Why not just reuse it? So this is a great way to store this until you're ready to use it. But as I was doing this, my sister Joyce, who's also here with me today because she's helping me to organize my studio, she noticed that I had this in the plastic bag. So when I stopped filming and I thought I was done with this video, and she said that she just had an idea, that this is a great way to replace that air-sealed packaging material that we sometimes get in our boxes, and we might save it and use it, but sometimes we might not have any. and we need it. And I thought she's exactly right. So I decided not to call the video complete and just bring in this idea because I think it's a good one, and it's probably one that some of you might leave in the comments below. But I'm going to bring my box back in and just show you what she meant. So you know how we take those bubble packs and we line them? Well, this is a great replacement for those bubble packs if you don't have any, but you happen to have this. Now you might also have paper bags if you don't want to use plastic. You might be using paper bags. That's also a great way to line this with these tear strips. But if you have a bunch of tear strips, the way that I do, you could actually just create one or two of these and put them down in the bottom of your bag or on the side of your bag, however you need for it to be. And you have created instant insulation and protection for whatever it is you're going to mail. So again, thank you to my sister Joyce, because sometimes it takes fresh eyes to see something that I might actually be overlooking. Thank you, Frazzled Robin, for raising the awareness, because sometimes it takes someone else looking at something to realize that maybe you can be doing things just a little bit differently. So why don't you guys leave me some comments with ideas and suggestions for how you might use these instead of just tossing them in the garbage. Guys, I hope that this awesome Super Sunday tip will be helpful to many of you. I hope that you'll start looking at these pieces differently and seeing ways that maybe you can repurpose them instead of throwing them out. I hope that this video has inspired some of you. If it has, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.